Narada Bhakti Sutra, Narad Muni defines love. He said, what is love? Love is gunarahitam, kamarahitam. Gunarahitam, kamarahitam, pratikshana vardhanam, sukshmam, avichanam, sukshmam avichanam. And then it says, anubhava rupam. What we think love is, we don't have even any idea what it means. Narad Bhakti Sutra says, love means gunarahitam, means love actually means you don't love somebody because of a particular quality. You just love, that's it. You just love. See, that was the love of the gopis. That is what I'm trying to, of course it's a very, very deep subject matter, but why I'm bringing this here today is, we don't know who is Radharani, we don't know who is Gopi, because we don't know what is mean by love. We simply know they loved Krishna, but you don't even know what is mean by love. So I said love is gunarahitam. It doesn't see a quality in the person you love. You simply love, that's it. Once one of the Sakhis of Radharani, she asked Radharani, why do you love Krishna? Krishna is so black looking, you are so beautiful. Krishna is a debaucher. Krishna is a, he flirts around with so many girls. When he was born in a jail, somehow his father brought him from there. And then as soon as he was born, young age, he killed a lady, Putna, who was trying to feed him some milk. What do you like in Krishna? He's a liar. He's a thief, steals from other people. And he dances with other people's wife in the night. So, what is there to love Krishna? What quality did you see in Krishna to love him? And Radharani says, I love him because I love him. That's it. There is no reason I love him. That is pure love. There is no quality that you are looking. But what happens in this material world? We love the person because of some quality. You love somebody because it's beautiful. You love somebody because, very famous. You love somebody because, rich. Oh, you love somebody because, very good nature. All the time you are loving because of certain quality. But pure love simply means love. That's it. You love the person. That's it. You don't see quality. Love is kamarahitam. There is no desire. There is no desire. We say we love Krishna, but we love Krishna with so many desires. The gopis, they loved Krishna, they had no desire. The only desire they had was they wanted to serve Krishna. When Narad Muni is sent by Krishna to know the glories of Gopi, Narad Muni goes and asks Gopi